So, hey friends, this is your friend Adityansh, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the problems by which I lost the faith into BYJUs. Remember, in BYJUs, not the videos which they provide or the content they provide. Remember my words. So, from the starting, I ordered this tab on 16th September, and they said that I will get this tab around 30th September normally, and I waited eagerly and excited. But on 30th October, I got to know about that I will not get the tab at day. So I waited for the next day, even the next day, and the next day. So on 5th October, I thought it was over and I have to contact them. I contacted them. They said, like, sorry, my mother is admitted in the hospital. I am providing you the higher authority number, so please contact them. So we contacted them. They said that the tablet will be we will get the kit around the next day or the day after tomorrow, over tomorrow normally. So we waited for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. The tab didn't come. We complained about it on the BYJUS customer care, and they said that I will get the tab surely by 30th October. So on 13th October, finally I got the tab. I was excited. Everything was fine when I opened it. On the first day, I was very excited, and the tab was nice. The tab model is changed as I mentioned in my earlier unboxing video, and the new tab is tab for M10. Tab M10, remember. So it is faster and it is like having much better quality things. But the problem is the battery life of this is almost the half. I mean, the tab for 10 battery is 5000 mAh, and this typical tablet batteries is 5000 mAh. No, 5000 mAh, 4850 mAh. So, like, can you imagine a 4850 mAh for a tablet? So, like, this was a normal problem. Okay, I can distribute it. And after that, it started hanging. It started blacking out the screen like this. It started blacking out. So I contacted them one time, two time, three time, four time. They always provide me a solution for 2, 3, 4 hours, and after that it will start to hang again. So at last I said them that this is over, and now I want to replace my tab. So they said yes, you can get the tab, and I will get the tab after 2 weeks or 1 week's replaced because it is Diwali now. So yes, these were some of the points by which I didn't like the mm, this all BYJUS things. But remember my words, the content is good. They provide a good learning education side and all these things, but the product they provide are like shit. Thank you guys. Keep learning.